Here's how to rebuild the chemical pump. Remove the chemical pump from the high-pressure water pump and place in a vise. Remove the cover. Remove the diaphragm. Remove the disc. Note the flow arrow on the pump and the orientation of the check valves to the arrow. Remove the outlet or inlet check valve. Clean and inspect. Remove the other check valve. Clean and inspect. Lubricate all O-rings on reassembly. Reassemble in the reverse order, paying close attention to the check valve orientation. For a detailed picture of this, see your owner's manual.